Preparing for an ISO/IEC 27001 certification audit, essential steps and best practices. Organizations are now seeking every possible.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Method to protect their information security, making certification a critical step for all. The international standard specifies the requirements for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and improving an information security management system, ISMS. Therefore, preparing for an ISO/IEC 27001 certification audit requires detailed planning, thorough documentation, and a deep understanding of the standard's requirements. In this blog, we outline the essential steps and best practices that your organization can follow to be well prepared for a successful ISO/IEC 27001 certification audit.
Understanding ISO/IEC 27001. ISO/IEC 27001 is a standard under ISO/IEC 27000, an information security management system that describes the systematic approach to managing sensitive company information meant to be kept secure. The standard discusses various aspects of information security, including risk management, access control, and incident management. Being ISO/IEC 27001 certified confirms that the practices and requirements of the standard are in place within the company, and it is committed to improvement in practice in the area of information security. Key steps in preparing for an ISO/IEC 27001 certification audit. Below are 9 essential steps to effectively prepare for your ISO/IEC 27001 certification audit. Secure management commitment. You need the top management on board for the success of your implementation and certification to ISO/IEC 27001. Assure the top management understands the value of accreditation. Ensure you receive all the resources you need for certification and be actively involved in the process. Their commitment will help drive the project and ensure that information security becomes an integral part of the organization's culture. Define the scope of the ISMS. It is critically important to define the scope of your ISMS clearly. The scope includes the boundaries of the organization's ISMS concerning its structure, locations, information assets, technologies, and services. Conduct a gap analysis. This involves comparing your existing controls and processes against the standard's requirements and identifying gaps that need to be addressed. With analysis, it is possible to not only set out what needs to be done to enable the necessary changes but also set relevant priorities on what needs to be done to accomplish these changes. Develop an implementation plan. Prepare a detailed implementation plan based on the gap analysis findings. The plan needs to define a set of clearly defined steps whereby the agreed-on recommendations will be addressed and improved, with each activity having clear responsibility with a realistic date of action. Ensure your plan is realistic and achievable, with milestones defined. Develop policies and procedures. Create and document policies and procedures that help the organization meet ISO/IEC 27001 requirements. These should include an information security policy, risk management policy, access control policy, and incident management, among others. Ensure these documents are clear, concise, and aligned with the organization's goals. Conduct a risk analysis. ISO/IEC 27001 stipulates that risks be properly assessed. Identify and assess all risks to your information assets considering threats, vulnerabilities, and possible impacts. Using the risk assessment, create and implement suitable risk treatment strategies to reduce identified hazards. Similarly, the risk assessment process should be documented and reviewed at planned intervals. Implement controls. ISO/IEC 27001 describes a summary of the controls in Annex A that organizations should follow to minimize risks. Implement any controls required based on the result of your risk assessment. This can be technical, such as encryption and access controls, or it can be organizational steps like security awareness training and incident response planning. Conduct internal audits. Internal audits are an essential part of preparing for the certification audit. These audits help to identify non-conformities and areas of improvement in the ISMS to ensure that it functions correctly and meets the requirements of the standard. Conduct internal audits periodically and take care of issues that are identified. Review and optimize. One of the main basic principles of ISO IEC 27001 is continuous improvement. Put in place, review, and make the necessary changes to your ISMS on a periodical basis whenever needed to make sure that it stays relevant and also serves its purpose well. Periodic management reviews for ISMS assessment performance considering audit results, risk evaluations, and notifications on incident reviews. One will derive the lessons acquired from these reviews to ensure that there are results that are driven through the knowledge base used to achieve a certain level of efficiency and efficacy. Best practices for a successful certification audit. 5 essential practices to ensure a smooth and successful ISO IEC 27001 certification audit. Engage a qualified certification body. Find a registered certification body that is credible enough to audit the ISMS. The certification body should have experience in auditing ISMS and a thorough understanding of ISO IEC 27001. Engaging a qualified certification body ensures a rigorous and credible assessment of your ISMS. Provide comprehensive documentation. Ensure all required documentation is produced, accurate, and available on hand for the audit, which could range into documentation, policies, procedures, risk assessments, audit reports, and management review records. Good record keeping is going to depict a high level of security, discipline, and order, making audit work smooth and fast. Prepare your team. Train and orient your team on the certification audit, communicate their roles, responsibilities, and knowledge of policies and procedures regarding ISMS. Carry out simulation audits or pre-audit reviews that allow your team to practice and build confidence in fielding the auditor's questions. Be transparent and cooperative. Be transparent and cooperative with the auditors during the audit. Provide clear and honest responses to their questions and requests for information. Demonstrating a positive attitude and willingness to improve can create a favorable impression and contribute to a successful audit outcome. Address non-conformities promptly. If the auditors find any non-conformities, resolve them as soon as possible. Develop corrective action plans to resolve the issues and prevent their recurrence. Document the actions taken and communicate the improvements to the certification body.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.